He said I gotta do this.
Which doctor tell you that?
Dr. Jenny.
So what is the...
Guys, I'm doing another prank on my husband. I've been dealing with atopic dermatitis, and I'm going to tell him that the doctor said I have to do this every night for 6 months. But I got lipstick on just to help it make it look better, you know? Let's see. Okay, let me read my Bible. I can't even see in my glasses. Oh my goodness. Okay, he gotta hurry up and come out. He's gonna think these things are gonna start falling off. Oh gosh, please do not fall off. He's coming soon, I know it. Hey, babe.
Babe, what's that?
Remember I went to the doctor today?
Yes?
Well, my face is just so... I know it looks funny, babe. I know it looks funny. But, oh shoot, this keeps falling. The doctor told me I have to keep the serum on every night.
But what's this?
It's a serum.
So, what
He said I have to do it every night for 6 months.
Then you're gonna scare me.
But I put some lipstick on. I put some lipstick on to make myself look pretty.
No, this is going to scare me, baby. No.
Babe, but it makes me feel so good. Babe, stop.
What is this?
It makes me feel good.
So what is it?
It helps the atopic dermatitis. It's just like there's some cream on underneath it, and it helps get the moisture in, and it helps to keep it absorbed and stuff like that, so that it doesn't come off at night, and it's cool.
Baby, can wear it in the day, but
He said at night, baby.
In the night, this is going to scare me away, babe. I can't sleep in the bed like this.
Babe, you marry me for better or for worse. It's only for 6 months. I know, but I wore lipstick. Babe, does the lipstick not make it look better? Give me a kiss. Babe, give me a kiss. Please, give me a kiss.
Wait,
babe.
Just a minute. Just hold on. Babe, this is, I don't used to you like this.
Do you not love me like this?
I love you, honey, but I mean, this is something. I've never seen anybody like this. What is this? A face mask?
Well, it just helps keep the cream on so it doesn't come off on the pillow at night. I don't even know how these are going to stay on my face. Like, I'm just going to have to sleep sitting up like this every night for 6, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what else to do, babe. He said I got to do this.
Which doctor tell you that?
Dr. Jenny.
So what is the...
It's a special cream. I had to pay $100 for this cream.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes on underneath here, and you just... Can you just kiss me, please? You're making me paranoid.
Okay, baby. For better or for worse.
Right? It's only 6 months, babe. Does it look that bad? What? Let me take my glass. No, I got. And that's the thing. If I take my glasses off, it might come off.
See, boy, you can't sleep in the glasses, baby.
Well, how is it gonna? Okay, so I'll have to sleep sitting up like this.
No.
What then?
Baby, no, we gotta find another solution.
No, babe, no. It gotta stay on. I paid a lot of money for this cream. It's falling off! Oh no, I paid too much for this cream.
Babe, no, you look, babe, you wanna know what you look like?
What?
I didn't want to say the Grinch because you're too pretty for that.
The Grinch? Look, oh my gosh. I gotta figure out a way to keep this on. Okay, you're the genius in the family. Can you figure out how I can keep this on?
No, babe, I want to rip it off. I want to rip it off. I can't keep it on.
Babe,
no, baby.
I need it, babe. It's for my atopic dermatitis. It keeps falling off.
No, babe, we have to pray about it. Like, this can't work. This is going to scare me throughout the night. We have to pray about this one.
What if you wear blinders on your eyes?
No, listen, nothing beat God and nothing beat faith and nothing beat prayer.
That's true.
We have to pray about that one. This one, that one, baby, it can't hurt. This is going to scare me throughout the night. Not this one, babe. I love you and everything. And you're my heartbeat and everything. In what? You can't work with that one, baby. Not this one. Work with anything else, but this, when your face or something, can't work. Can't work.
So I paid all this money for this cream, and now
it's not even sticking.
No, but it's all in here, and it gotta stay on. Like it's gotta, because if not, the redness is gonna, and it feels so, babe, it feels so good. Like, it just feels so, so good.
Oh, babe, pick it up. Pick it up.
Babe.
I accept you like this. Don't worry about it. Like, for better or for worse, honey. Don't worry, okay?
Well, thank God.
Thank God about what?
Thank God it's just a prank. I don't have to scare you every night.
No, I can't work with this. No. This one. No, I can't work with it. No. I can't work with that one. No.
Well, guys, I think it worked. Did you believe me, babe?
Crazy. No.
Peace, guys. God bless you. Hope you guys have a good day, good night, good week. And remember, subscribe, like, and comment.
I may say Ireland boss, I may represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I may tell you no, I may say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?